Hey aspirant, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the answer key of OPSC OCS Prelim Mock Test 7. So let's start the mock test, and this mock test has been provided in our website. Go to our website, first take the mock test, then watch this video to know the answers key. The first question is, which one of the following articles deals with the appointment of the prime ministers and other ministers? As you know, Article 76 says about appointment of Attorney Generals of India. Article 75, here is the right one. Article 75 deals with the appointment of prime ministers and other ministers. Article 74 talks about Council of Ministers to add the President in his or her functions. And Article 73, as you know, Article 73 talk about the extent of executive powers of unions. So for question number 1, we have the answer key B. Article 75 talks about the deals with the appointment of the prime ministers and other ministers. Question number 2, this total numbers of ministers including prime minister shall not exist. Option number A, 20% of member of the Lok Sabha. Option number B, 10% of member of the Lok Sabha. Option number C, 25% of the member of the Lok Sabha. And option number D, 15% members of the Lok Sabha. Here's correct one is option number D. Option number D is the correct answer here. The total numbers of ministers including the prime minister shall not exceed 15% of numbers of Lok Sabha, and these provisions has been included in our constitution by 91st CAA Constitutional Amendment Bill. 91st Constitutional Amendment Bill added this provision to our constitution. Question number 3, which article of the Constitution of India provide the composition and jurisdictions of the Supreme Court? The composition and jurisdictions of Supreme Court of India is provided in Article 1 to 4 or 124. For question number 3, we have the answer key D. D is the correct one here. Article 124 or Article 124 provide the composition and jurisdictions of Supreme Court India. Question number 4, how many numbers of members are nominated by the President to Rajya Sabha? There are 12 members in various fields are appointed are nominated by President to Rajya Sabha. For question number 4, we have the answer key C. C is the correct one here. Article 80 sub-article 2 says about the allocations of seat in Rajya Sabha. So the President can nominate 12 members to Rajya Sabha in various fields. Question number 5, High Court issues reads under articles. As you know, Supreme Court issues reads under Article 32. In case of High Courts, reads are reads issued by High Courts under Article 226. For question number 5, we have the answer key D. High Court issues reads under Article 226, Supreme Court Article 32. Question number 6, the traces of Janapadas and Mahajanapadas are found in the traces of Janapadas and Mahajanapadas are found in the Vedic text, Buddhist text, Jaina text. So here answer will be D. All of the above are correct ones. Question number 7, who is one of the following was the capital of Kosala? What was the capital of Kosala from the following options? So here answer will be Sravasti. Sravasti was the capital of Kosala. It was a Mahajanapada. Kushala was a Mahajanapada. So, question number 8, Champa was the capital of which one of the following Mahajanapadas in ancient India? Champa was the capital of Anga. Anga was a Mahajanapada in ancient India. So, here answer will be for question number 8, we have the answer key A. A is the correct one. Champa was the capital of Anga. Question number 9, Bimbisar was the founder of which one of the following dynasties? Bimbisar founded which dynasty? Bimbisar founded Haranyaka dynasty. Here answer will be B. B is the correct one here. Question number 10. The rulers of Kushan dynasty, Kanishka, was the followers of Mahayanam form of Buddhism, and it can be called as Mahayanism. So answer will be D here. Kanishka follow Mahayanism form of Buddhism. Question number D. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is located in. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is located in Nepal. Nepal Himalayas. We can find it in Nepal Himalaya. Mount Everest is located in Nepal Himalayas. It is the highest peak in the world. For question number 11, we have the answer key D. Question number 12. In India, how many states share coastline? In India, 9 states share coastline, and the longest coastline shared by Gujarat in India. In India, Gujarat state shares longest coastline, and 9 states share coastline in India. For question number 12, we have the answer key C. Question number 11, we have the answer key C. C is the correct one here. This is 11. Question number 11. Question number 12. Between which of the following pairs of island is Deccan Passage located? Deccan Passage located between South Andaman and Little Andaman. So for question number 12, we have the answer key A. A is the correct one here. Question number 13. Which among the following state of India, which one of has the oldest rock formation in the country? Karnataka states of India has the oldest rock formation in the country. For question number 13, we have the answer key C. C is the correct one here. Karnataka has the oldest rock formation in the country or in India. Question number 14. The latitude that passes through Sikkim also passes through. The latitude that passes through Sikkim also passes through Rajasthan. For question number 14, we have the answer key A. Question number 15. Lakshadweep is a group of how many islands? Lakshadweep is a group of 36 islands. For question number 15, we have the answer key A. A is the correct one here. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again.